It's simple to impress a woman with words, but mastering the art of attracting girls without saying anything is a skill worth perfecting. As you may be aware, the majority of our communication is nonverbal. This means that it's not so much what you say as it is how you say it and what your body does when speaking or listening that matters. Body language is important in attracting people, and it's something you should be aware of. Girls already analyzed your body language and made up her mind about you before you even approach her and start a discussion with her. Fortunately, attracting girls without talking is really straightforward, and if you learn the strategies listed here, you'll be a pro in no time. 1. Rebuild yourself. Everything you do is noticed by girls, no matter how minor you believe it is. When you're around her, she'll notice if you're fixing your clothes, and doing so will easily indicate that you're interested in her, simply because you're grooming yourself to make yourself stand out and appear attractive. It not only demonstrates that you care about your looks, but it also prevents her from guessing whether or not you're interested. And that is precisely the goal. So don't be shy about letting her see you smoothing your shirt or fixing your hair. She'll be flattered that you're attempting to look your best for her if it comes through naturally. 2. Smile. Women are drawn to males who appear to be funny and personable. When it comes to attracting girls without saying anything, your smile is crucial. After all, a smile is worth 1,000 words, and it works far better than any lame pickup line. A genuine smile makes you appear non-threatening, kind, and friendly, all of which appeal to girls. When you're the first to smile, you're also showing confidence, which is another quality that girls seek in their male counterparts. So smile at women, but not too much. 3. Maintain a strong posture. Your posture makes you appear more important than you are. The way you move or walk can reveal a lot about your self-assurance. Because women see males as protectors by nature, they are naturally drawn to strong, confident men, and they frequently judge them by their appearance and behavior. Maintain a solid posture by standing tall, straight, and confidently. 4. Stop the fidget. A man who is continuously fidgeting and moving around is perceived as nervous and out of control. This isn't the kind of first impression you want to make. Women will be drawn to a man who moves in a controlled and collected manner. Slowing down your actions gives the impression of directness, as they are more considered and purposeful. You'll appear more assured, and it'll show everyone else that you're at ease in your surroundings. It also provides a sense of mystery and intrigue. However, keep in mind not to go too slowly. You don't want to be known as the strange guy who moves slowly. 5. Get to know one of her friends. Are you afraid of going for the girl you're attempting to impress right away? Instead, go up to one of her friends, whether it's a guy or a girl. Make an effort to make friends with them. If this friend likes you, he or she will almost certainly introduce you to her. This is perhaps the safest and most effective method to make an impression. You'll also learn what she likes and hates from them. Even if you couldn't connect with her, you'll have the opportunity to meet some new people. 6. Keep smooth eye contact. Even if you appear to have everything going for you, poor or excessive eye contact can destroy your efforts and ruin your chances of talking to a girl. If you want your eye contact to communicate to a girl that you're cool and she can speak to you, it has to be smooth. In other words, it shouldn't look forced. Look a girl in the eyes, smile, and look away if you want to put her at ease and get her to talk to you. First, making intentional and friendly eye contact by looking in her eyes and smiling ensures that you make deliberate and friendly eye contact. Second, you don't appear too focused because you're looking away. 7. Take risks. Guys who are courageous and willing to take risks always have a good time and make memorable experiences. And girls admire a man who isn't afraid to do something that others might find humiliating or awkward. When she's around, get involved in anything, whether it's karaoke or a fun rivalry between friends. Attract her attention by doing something risky, and she'll be in wonder of you. 8. Show off something you are good at. Whether it's a skill, a hobby, or a talent, you're almost certainly good at something. It's time you put those qualities to work for you. Girls admire a one-of-a-kind guy who has something that distinguishes him and leaves an impression. It could be something as simple as being enthusiastic about something or excelling in your work tasks, anything that makes you stand out. 9. take care of your body. Although not everyone is born with attractive features, almost everyone can improve their physical appearance if they are prepared to put in the time and effort. It's not even about getting a six-pack. It's about taking care of yourself. Men who take care of their bodies are instantly attractive to women. You don't have to go to the gym for hours every day to be healthy, but you should eat well and exercise often. Not only will it improve your health, but it will also make you more attractive. 10. Be straight. Girls are not only aware that boys check them out, but they are actively looking for it and hoping that it happens at the right time and in the right place. If you're going to a place where girls expect guys to be a little more open and forward, you should make your intentions known. It's crucial to remember that in some social circumstances, girls prefer a flirty guy. So, let the girl you like know you're checking her out and smile when she does. Every guy should be able to attract women without having to speak to them. Body language sends automatic messages to our brain, which are stored in the subconscious. That is when we determine whether or not the person is worthy of our attention. It's a delicate technique, but it's crucial, and once you've perfected all of the movements, you'll be able to attract the girl you've got your eye on. However, keep in mind that body language will only carry you so far. Eventually, you'll have to start using actual words as well. What are your thoughts? Is there anything we've missed? Do you have any more suggestions for attracting girls without having to say anything? Do you agree with this list, girls? Please let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so we can keep making them. Hit the subscribe button for more videos like this, and don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.